Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload a video on Pinterest. So press the create button I meant, over here on the top left corner of your screen, the one that has your profile picture on it, and you can either record up to 60 seconds or I'm just going to upload by pressing the bottom left square. Select the video you want to upload and press next. Then you can add in like text, for instance, something like gaming setup. You can change like the style, you can even change the font of it. I'm just going to choose this one. Change the color, you can also do that. Press done, and then you can sort of like put it here, for instance. You can also add music, audio, stickers. Let's try, oops, that's not. Oh, what a game. You can add stickers. You can even draw with like these pens, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can even add some filters to it too. Once you're done, you're just going to press done. And then you are then going to press next. You can pick a board too, etc., etc. But I'm just going to press publish. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!